Hello friends, in the previous video we have completed this section. See this one, this R and Kotlin, all this small card, and also we have completed this code editor. When I just click this front end, this image will be changed. See this types of a, and here also I was also w3 space like this types of a also, and this how it work and get started. All this we done this all in the previous video. Now in this video we start making after that this my learning and become a pro user, color picker, code game, and exercise and quiz test, and this web template, and also we all this after that let's go on start and how much we finish this. Let's first of all go on the VS Code editor. Here let me, okay, here this one is close, and let me go on the learning section. Here is a my learning, and for that here I create another div tag. Let me give this a comment here, and first of all I want to comment this. Let me give the comment. Here I give the comment will be where is yeah, here I was forgot it here, and yeah, after that I want to do here I give the my learning, and first of all here create a div tag or section tag, and giving the class name will be learning section. We give the inside that we have, first of all let me go on here. First of all I want to give the top section. For that I give the h1, and inside that I want to add this tags. Just copy this and add here. After that I want to give this small tags. Let me just copy this and paste in this section, this p tag, and again I want to pay another tag. Let me just copy this also and paste inside this. And here I have this types of image. See, this is a one type of image. Let me right click and copy image address. If you want to check this image, then here just click here and paste this image. See this types of image. Now I want to do this image here. Here I give the img src and paste this image. After that just close this tag and let me go on. Here bottom section I want to add a sign up for the free. Here I give the bottom, and this will be the sign up. Okay, you will capital for free, and here first of all we design this btn. For that we can directly give the class name will be bg green. Now okay, this one done, and let me just see. Here you can see these are coming off. For that first of all I want to give the background color also. This learning class, just copy this here and come in the style.css file. Here in the bottom section I commented. Let me just give the comment my learning, and here sorry I give this, and here paste this class name. After that I want to all this content will be in the center. For that I give the text align will be center. Now here you can see all the content will be coming in the center, but just but btn is not coming. I want to change this btn in the form of a link. For that I can directly change in the let me give the a reference, and here I want to add the link, because when I was click on this sign up free, it will go on the some other page. Let me show you. When I was click on the sign up for the free, see it will be go on the some other page for that link. And here I was let me just click here and copy the link. Okay, yeah, for the sometime if you now login, then it will be not going. And okay, then login we can do, or we can just go on here, right click, copy link address. Let me see. Yeah, this is okay, and here I want to paste this, and here I want to also change this in the form of a anchor tag. And now let me just see. close this one, and here okay, I was also close my section. Let me open. Yeah, go bottom. Yeah, this sign up is here, and now first of all I want to give the background color. For that let me here bg, and giving the what will be the bg light green. Now let me just see. Yeah, see, this will be done, and let me go here. Here I give the padding from the top section will be approximately 20 pixel, and left right will be 0. Now let me just see. Yeah, I was also forget it. Position relative, and inside this I want to give the top -5 pixel. Now this are done, and one more thing, this sign button will come down. For that just copy this here and come inside this. I have an anchor tag, make this in the display block. Okay, now it will be coming in the bottom section, and here I make this let me come here, and this will be the button. For that I can give the btn inside this, cut this here and here, and now here I was to as the class sign up free, and btn also. Just copy this first, come in the style.css. Here I want to paste this, and here I was added the display flags. Let me remove this on the bottom. Okay, display block. Okay, I add it. Let me just change something. Cut this btn here, paste inside this. Or we can also do one thing, just remove all these things, and this btn also. Here also we can do, let me do one thing. Go on the css file, this learning section. Here I give the display flags, and the flags direction will be the column. Now see, yeah, see, this will be coming, and we also giving the max, not this one, because this is not a container. That's why I can do one thing, just wrap all this content in the another div tag, and here I give the div, and yeah, and this class name will be the learning container, and just copy this and come in the style.css. Here I give the now just remove this. Where is, okay, display flags here. Just cut here and here, paste this. Now here I can give the max width will be approximately 100, oh sorry, 1000. Now let me just see, go on the bottom section. Okay, now I want to center this. For that I can give the margin auto. Okay, now see, this content will be all will be in the center. Just our this anchor tag will be not be center for that. And first of all I want to also increase the this my learning, and for that just copy this here, and we design this. Inside that I have a h1. We give the font size will be approximately 55 pixel, and after that I give the this p tag, and margin from the bottom section will be 0, and inside that learning container I have a p tag. Let me give the, here I give the font size will be approximately 21 pixel, and yeah, now this will be coming, and Yeah, and this image I want to also give this, and inside this learning container I have a image tag. I give the margin from the top side it will be 10 pixel, bottom side also 10 pixel. And now let me increase this little bit more, 20 pixel. Yeah, now it look like this one. And now I want to make this btn. For that, here I was already, and here give the justify self will be center. And let me just see, here come, okay, I was not given. Let me give the alignment self will be center. Yeah, now see, after that I give the padding will be from the top side 10 pixel, left right 30 pixel. And now you can see, yeah, this one. And after that I can give the 35. And before that I think I want to give the font size will be approximately 18 pixel. Let me just see. And after that, remove the this underline. This underline is coming, for that we can use the text decoration none. Now see, here this underline will be gone. Now I want to give the this border will be corner, will be like a circle. Border radius will be 10 pixel. Sorry, we can give the 50. Yeah, now see, like look like this. And now this learning part is done. Now let's me go on the next part. I think next part is this become a pro user. And here let me just see, top side margin and bottom side is little bit less. We can increase margin by padding by here. Here I give the approximately 50 pixel. Now let me just see, yeah, little bit here and here also. Now go here, and this is a learning part. After that I comment, and this will be the again become a pro user. Just copy this here and paste here. Let me just create another section and giving the class name will be become a pro container. And inside this I give the this color is bg black. We can directly give the bg black. And let me go bottom side. Yeah, okay, this will be done. Next part will be the, okay, this become a pro. For that I already given the bg black. And now I want to give this h1 tag. First of all, create one div for the container and become a pro container. Just cut this here, and here I want to paste this. And after that I give the, and here I want to add this h1 tag. Let me just add this and become a pro. Just copy this here, paste inside this. After that I can add this and unlock powerful feature. For that I can use the p tag and just copy this here. I can directly add here. I think I want to add something, and here you can see, let me just see, this is a which thing. Okay, these are icon or something other. Let me just see. Okay, these all the images. For that we can do one thing. Here I created another div tag, and giving the class name will be the uh, become feature list. And inside the feature list I want to add the div class and become feature items. Inside that, first of all I want to add the images, this types of image. Let me just come, and again I want to add this list. And for that I can directly give the p tag. And let me just copy this one and paste here. And first of all I want to copy this image address, and paste inside this. And this is a svg, okay, no problem. Just copy this again. Total I want to, I think 3. Just copy this and copy this one and come here, the second one. After that I want to give the third one. Yeah, now this section done. And here you can see in the between has some link like a here space and HTML video tutorial. This types of I want to also add in the top first section, no link. Second section here as a space link. Let me just go here. Here I want to add link. Let me a and here just cut this space here. Here I want to paste this and here I want to add the link. Let's right click, copy no copy image address, not copy link address. Yeah, let me for the checking purpose I was control click for the opening and the new tab. And here see, just copy this here and paste this here. And again I want to add this HTML video tutorial. Just click here and here I want to add a link where let me HTML video tutorial. Here I can give a tag as a reference. Okay, why these are happening? And inside the string form paste this. After the close this div tag, anchor tag, and just wrap this content. Now let me just go on our section. Here you can see all these are displaying. Now I want to, and this section are done. And for that here I give the become pro user. Okay, here I give the pro user only. Just copy this, come in the your style.css. Here I commented this. And now these things are done. Here give the margin will be not first of all give the position relative. After that give the top will be -5 pixel. And let me just see, and margin I want to give the padding will be approximately 50 pixel and 0 pixel from left right. Yeah, now all the content will be center. For that I can directly use the this become pro container. Just copy this, come in the here, and here I give the width will be 100% and max width will be approximately 1000. And after that I give the margin will be auto. And now here you can see why this content will be now coming. Max width will be approximately 1000 pixel, not percent. Yeah, see, now this will be come here. And I want to all the or we can remove this all this and only this types of it. Then also all the content. Okay, we can give the text align will be center. Now all the content will be here. And I want to also add the bottom. Let me do this also. Here this div tag will be closed. After that I can do. And this is a one type of learning, like in the top section we can let me, this all has the same style, but we can do this. Let me come here, and here we can do make a one class like this types of a btn. Let me do more is coming. Yeah, no, this one is the last one. Then we can do Let me come here, and inside the pro user container, yeah, this container I have a this btn, and this btn has a link, and we can give this, and what is the link which will learn more. M will be capital, and this background color will be green. For that, here I directly add the bg green, and let me just see, yeah. And now I want to do, here I want to add the btn class, and these things are done, and all this. And first of all, we make this text will be bold. For that, come here, inside the become container I have a h1 tag, and I had to give the font size will be approximately 55 pixel, and this one will be unlock. Margin from the bottom side will be 0. Let me just come here and become pro container. Inside that I have a p tag, and giving this, it will be the font size will be approximately 21 pixel. Now you, and this background color, see, this background color is also I want to change. For that, I give the, let me just come here, yeah, this background, all the text will also bold. And for 550, let me just come here, and okay, and I want to give the color. We can give the first child, and this color will be the, give the where, and this will be the pink. And let me just check this. Okay, this is, I think, okay, why these are not coming? We can give inside the container I have a p tag, and give the nth child will be first. We give 2 because every has a p tag. We can directly give. What is happening? Become a container, p tag, okay, and this, I think something I was missing. Let me go here, and okay, here I was, let me just give this, giving the class name. Let me, I think I was make some class, utility class. No, I was not making. I can do one by one. Let me add some class name here. I give the become pro unlock. Just copy this, come in the style.css. Here I want to direct change this. Yeah, now it's done. And come here again, I want to just copy this, because now I design this part. Come here, and here I give the display flags, and see, all this content will be like this. And after that I give the flags, direction will be column, yeah, flags direction will be, no, this flags will be done, and justify content will be center. And I think I was, yeah, item, copy the wrong class, that's why. Just paste this here. Let me just see, yeah, now it's okay. and remove this, or we can give the justify content. Yeah, and now I want to center this class. For that I can, now I want to use this become a feature class, and here come, here give this, and giving the margin will be auto, and after that I give the width will be fit content. Yeah, now see, and inside between that I want to give this. For that just copy this, here I was as a image tag. Inside this I give the margin from the right side, which will be approximately 10 pixel, and yeah, we give the 15 pixel. Yeah, now done. And now I want to make this link will be hover effect. For that inside the item I want to add this link a, and first of all I want to give the color. The color will be the current color, and let me see, and also remove the text decoration underline, this one. Now see, underline will go. Now I want to also make, let me just see, yeah, underline will be have, then we can remove this. Yeah, underline will coming. When I use hover, then this color will be changed. For that we can do become, okay, why this are, we can copy this also, paste here, and here we give the hover effect. Let me just give the color will be the variable name, and this will be the green. Now you can see when I was hover on the this text, see this background color, this text color will be changed. Now let make on the this btn. Let me just come here, and inside the we have directly used this btn. Where is this container? Copy this, come here, here we can do container, and I was created somewhere, no, I can give the padding will be 10 pixel, from the top bottom left right will be approximately 35 pixel, and now this will be done, and font size will be approximately 18 pixel. Now let me just see, and these are coming, and we can, or we can give the 20 pixel, left right will 40, 18 will be good. After that I give the inside this I have this anchor tag, and for that I want to remove this become a pro container. Inside that btn I have a anchor tag, and this give the color will be current, not we give the white, and after that I can that, let me just do, and this button border radius will be 50 pixel, and border none. Yeah, these are coming, and this text decoration I was forget it. Now see, we have done this part as like this one, but I want to increase this size, and where I can give the max width will be approximately the 200. Let me just give this, and if 200, then why is width will be 100 pixel percent, and this will be the 250. Yeah, now see, and now we have come created little bit increase the font size, and margin from the top side is approximately 30 pixel. Now see, and we have done this part, and now I want to give this see in the top section more padding and in the bottom section less. For that we can go here and here give the margin 0 everywhere and remove this, and again I want to come in the top section where is here I was giving the padding is 7, change this into 70. Now see, this part will be done. Now let's go on the next section, this color one, and let's go here. Here I want to create a div, class name will be the uh, color section, and inside this I can create a div, class name will be the color section container. After inside that I want to insert all this content will be in the center, and for that first of all I want to insert this text. Just copy this here and paste here. It will be there in the form of a h1 tag. Let me just paste this. After that I can do one thing, this simple text, just copy this here and paste in the here. Now this images, for that I can do this image, yeah, right click here, copy image address, and here I give the img src like that. Yeah, now let me just see here how this will be displayed. See, now I want to make this all the content in the center. For that I can directly use this, copy this color section and come here, and here I just commented this. Here I give the padding from the top section will be approximately 50 pixel, top bottom left right will be 0, like this, and all the content will be center. For that I can directly use the text line will be center. I want to increase the size of this all this content. For I can do one thing, just copy this color container, and here I give the in the h1 this font size will be approximately 55 pixel, and the color of section of p tag will be approximately font size will be 21 pixel. Now see, we have created, and this hover effect like that, when I was hover then this little bit color will be changed. We can do also, just copy this here and come here, I give the img hover effect, and this will be the one thing filter. We can give the filter brightness approximately 1 pixel. Let me just come here and first of all give this cursor pointer, come bottom, and yeah, I think I can give the opacity will be 0.9. see, and I was not giving the color cursor pointer. Now see, and little bit more we can give, we can 8. Now see, this part is done. Now let's go on the next part, this code game. Just for that come here, and inside that this is code game, and this here I was forgetted to comment color section, and after that I want to add this code game div, class name will be, or we can give the section tag, and inside that I give the class name will be the code game container. Now here I created this, inside that I want to all this, first of all give this I think this is a text. For that, let me just see which font. And yeah, see this paragraph face. Just copy this name family font family and go on the here and give Google font, and let me just go here. Let me search this font is available or not. Here I paste this name and see here this is available. And before that I want to remove all, and let me just do one thing, this and copy all this here and come in the your index.html and go on the top section. Before that I can add here comment this Google font family, and this family name I paste and press the shift alt here for the formatting purpose. Now let me go here. Here I guess the font family will be the freckle face, and now this will be done. And let me just where here bottom side, inside that I want to insert let me just check. First of all I want to insert where is this h1 tag. Let me just do that directly. We can directly give the code game. Just copy this here, paste here. After that I can give the p tag. Just copy this here, paste here. Now again I want to this images. We can directly give the img src and paste this here. Or we can do one thing, all this section you can see this color container and this both are same. Just copy this here, or we can directly add here, then you can see. And now I want to add this image. For the right click, copy image address and paste inside this. After that I want to add this button. I can do this is a link reference, and inside this will be play game, and right click, copy link address and paste here. And again I want to, let me just see. Okay, here you can see. Okay, this is okay. We can do one thing, just copy all this here, come here, and here I comment and text align will be center. Let me go bottom, and first of all I think I want to change the background color, and for that I can do directly here also. We give the background color will be where, and this will be the blue. And here let me just see, yeah, this one. I think this color not a fully white. For that we can do the color section. I can give the background color will be the neo white. Yeah, neo white will be okay for now. And here give the position will be relative top side -5 pixel. And now let me just do or we can put also here this color. I think not looking good. We can give the white also okay for now. And now let me design this part, and here let me remove this, and giving the padding will be 50 pixel top bottom, 0 from the left right. And now I want to increase the size of this. For that I can directly just copy this, come here and h1 tag, this will be the font size will be approximately 55 pixel, and giving the margin will be 0. Now again inside this I have a code. Let me just copy this here and paste here, and here you can, one more thing we can do it. Let me, all things you can see in the top section and bottom section are same, and for that we can do only family name is change, and for the reusability purpose we can also all these collapse here also, you can do it, but here I can separately do. And for that font size will be approximately 21. Now here I, okay, this part is done, and this image, let me do this bottom also, and code, where is, let me just copy this here and paste here. Inside that I have a button, and here I give the display flex, and flex direction will be column. And why this image is too much big, because of a flex we can reduce this. Inside the btn we give the display block. Let me just see, yeah, now I want to, this btn will be center, for that I can give the text alignment center. Yeah, now this will be not done, for that we can do here justify self will be center. I think it will be not done. We can do here, I can do one thing, just cut this here, and div class name will be the inside this, paste this, and here I give the container code game btn container. Come here, and here I want to paste this, and this will be the code game btn container. I give this display flags, justify content center, alignment item center, and here I want to remove this, both of them. Now you can see, we go bottom side, yeah, and now I want to design this, and here I want to give margin from the top side is approximately 10 pixel, 20 pixel, yeah, 20 pixel is done. And now design this. First of all I want to give the padding will be the approximately 10 pixel and 10 pixel and 35 pixel from the left right. After that, giving the font size will be the approximately 18 pixel. Background color will be the white, green, sorry, we give the green. And yeah, now these things are done. Or we can remove this background color, we can directly add the class name here. Here I can give the class name will be bg green, and go bottom C. And now I want to make, first of all remove the border none, and border radius will be 50 pixel. Now see, this part is done. And inside that btn we have a anchor tag. Let me also design this. Here I give the first of all change the color. For that we can do the color will be the white. for that I can use the white color here, white, yeah, and text decoration will be none. Let me give this because I don't want to underline. Yeah, now this part will be done. When I was click, it will go on the game. Okay, these things are working. Let me go back. Yeah, and refresh this page. Yeah, this part is done. Now let's me go on the next section. I think I want to give the not a green, black. For that we can do the black. Come here. Yeah, this black also okay for now, and give the 50. Yeah, we have done this part. Let me go on the next section, this exercise and Q. Let me come here. Here I want to give the comment and exercise and Q. After that here create another section, div class name. This will be the section exercise I think I missed something. Okay, see here exercise, and here give the container. We don't need of this also for now. And here I want to include this, first of all, this tags, and before that I want to give this two div tag I already make in the bottom top section. You can see, let me show you, like this types of I was make here also, like this same, like this both are also same, but here I can do one thing. First of all, give div class name will be the section, and this will be the exercise container. After that I can give this inside this. First one is a h1 tag. Just copy this here and paste here. And here one thing I was forget it. No, everything, no, here I was forget it. Let me show you. See, this text color I was not change. This format, text format is not change. We do this, don't worry. And for now here I want to give and come here again. I want to add this simple text. Let me add this, and after that I can do this both exercise. For that, create a, we can do one thing, div, we can get div class name well, and again I create a two div tag, and first one is a yes, I want to, I think both are linked. We can directly give this a h reference. Inside this we put the link, and this is two. First one is exercises, and second one is quizzes. We can give quizzes, and okay, this is a text. Let me just copy this here, cut this here, paste here, and here also, and here inside this I can include the some class name. And see, this first one is a green color. We can directly add bg green, and second one you can directly see this will be the bg yellow. And now this part will be done. Now I want to right click, copy link here, paste it, and for the second one copy, right click, paste here. See, we have these two links are added. And now let me just see in the our section. See, here is display. Now I want to design this part. Just copy this exercise section, and here I comment it. Let me just do this first. We give the first of all background color. Let me just see which background color is this. This is a black color. We can directly give the background color will be where, and this will be the black, and position relative, and yeah, position no relative. Yeah, I want to give padding from the top side 50 pixel, left right will be 0. Yeah, now see, and all the content will be, I want to make center. Let me just copy this container section exercise container, come here, and here I want to give this, and display flags. No, I can directly give the text align will be center. Now I want to give the font size. For that, copy this here, okay, come here, h1 will be the font size will be the 55 pixel, and again section, this will be the exercise container, and inside this I have a p tag. I give the font size will be approximately 21 pixel, and here in the h1 I remove the margin from the 0, remove the margin. Let me come here, you can see. Now I want to change the color. For that I can directly give the color will be white. We can use the variable also, and here also just cut this here, copy this here, and paste here. Now see, these both are done, and now I want to make this. For that, just here I want to give the section underscore exercise and quiz. Just copy this, come here, and here I want to give this. Here I want to give the, inside that I have a anchor tag. Let me just copy this again and come here, paste here. I want to access anchor tag. Now here I want to give the display flags, and here I give the flags 1. Now you can see it taken full width. Before that I want to, here this exercise container I give the max width will be approximately 1000, and margin will be auto. Let me come, yeah, a little bit more, we give the 12. Yeah, now this will be done, and inside that between I want to give the space. For that I can give the gap will be approximately 70 pixel, and this will be flags wrap. Because I want to give the minimum width will be approximately we give the 200, and maximum will be anything. Here I give the okay, and let me just copy this again. Here I use the media query. Everywhere I was not uses because all these are automatically done, and here I give the media query and all, and minimum width will be 1000. Here I give the 70 pixel, otherwise it will be the 10 uh, 10 pixel or 20 pixel. Let me reduce this screen and see when I was reduce. Okay, all these are go better. Something is missing here. Okay, when I will reduce this, okay, these are good and this part will be better performing. Only one thing is done here. This will be go on the bottom deeply, and don't worry, we can solve this also. And let me complete from this section, then we can do this responsiveness. And here I was created this. Let me give the padding. This padding will be 50 pixel and font size will be approximately 30 pixel. Text decoration none. Sorry, text decoration I was written. Yeah, now this part, both part is done, and border radius will be the 5 pixel. Now we have done this part, and this cap margin from the top side will be 20 pixel, and here I was give the semicolon. We can give the padding from the top side 30 pixel. Yeah, now these both are done, and I want to add much more. No, let me add this section, and for that here I was made one because when I was reduced this screen, let me show you. When I was reduced, see, it will go like this, space a little bit, that's why. We can solve also this. First of all, we make this web template, and this kick start. For that I can make here and give here. This is a web templates, and create another div. Class name will be the web template container, and here I give this. Just copy this. First of all, this is not a container. Here inside this I create a one div class name. Div class name will be the, and here I give this web underscore template container, and again this will be done. Inside this I insert one by one. First of all, this h1, just copy this here, paste here. Again I want to insert this small text, copy this here and paste here. Now I want to insert this image. Right click, copy image address, and inside this img src and paste here. And now I want to design this. First of all, just copy this web template here and come here, and here I give this comment. And first of all, I want to give the background color. Let me just give this. Background color will be the neon white, and padding from the top bottom, padding 50 pixel from top, 0 pixel. And now again I want to copy this, come here, and here I give the max width will be 100%. Max width will be approximately 1000, and again give the margin will be auto. Let me come here. Yeah, this image will be go above this. For that we can do here inside that I have a image width will be 100%. Yeah, now it will be adjusted automatically. Now I want to make all this content will be center. For that I can directly here give the text align will be center. Now see, this text will be come in the center side. First of all I want to make this web, this font will be much more bigger. For that I want to give this h1 tag, and font size will be the 55 pixel, and giving the margin will be 0. Now this part will be done, and inside that I have a p tag. Let me this p tag, and here see, for that I can also do this, and just copy this again, come here and here paste this. Inside this I have a p tag, giving the font size will be the approximately 21 pixel. Now let me just come here, and here all section, see these are display. Now I want to make this, see when I was here, let me come back. When I was click on the this image, it will be go on the some other link. Right click here, copy. I want to this link, just copy this here and go back. Now I want to add this link here, this image section. For that I can do a h reference, paste this link, and let me come here, alt press and little bit up. Let me come here also. Yeah, we have done this part. This code editor and this template, again this template I want to insert something. Let me just see this btn, and for that I can do here, this is a one type of link. I can directly insert a h reference, and inside this I can give the browse template, browser template, I think browse templates. Okay, here I can give the class name will be the web template link. Just copy this, come in the style.css. Here I can give the width will be approximately 100%, and max width will be approximately 400. Now let me check, and background color I was not giving. We can directly add background color here, and bg black. Yeah, this is not done. We can do display block. Yeah, and this content will be center. For that I can do the margin auto. This see, and now I can increase the font size will be the approximately 20 pixel, and giving the padding will be the top bottom side 10 pixel, left right will be 30 pixel. Again let me just see, and margin from the top side will be 30 pixel, and not 30, we give the 20, and give the border radius will be 10 pixel, 30 pixel also this one. Yeah, and this text decoration will be none. Now we have done this part, and Let me go next section, and I think this width is too much big. I was given less. Let me increase this. We can give the 700. Yeah, no, 6 will be okay. Now I was forget to add the this text color. Let me just here go Google and just copy this font family and come in the where is code. Let me go here code, and this one is a h1 tag. Here I want to paste this, and in the p tag also. Now I want to go here. Here you can see this text color is now changed, and this part is done. Let me go on the next part. Okay, this is a kick start your career like this, and for that I can do here, come here I can give the kick start. For that I can make section tag, and giving the class name will be the this class name will be approximately kick start. I can give the kick start section. Inside that, first of all I want to create a one container. This container will be kick start container, and inside that I want to first of all insert this to h1 tag. Let me just give this also, and this h1. Yeah, after that I want to this both are done, and again I want to insert the btn. This will be the link. For that I can directly give this, and right click, copy link address, paste here, and this will be the get started. Okay, get started. This part will be done, and now I want to give the background color. For that I can directly just copy this kickstart, come in the style.css. After that go bottom side, I want to give this comment, and here I want to come here and paste here. Now I want to give the background color will be the variable, and this will be the black. After that inside this text color I want to also give, and for that I can just come here and copy this and come here, and this will be the max width will be the 100%, and max width will be the approximately, and 1200 pixel. Let me just come here, go bottom side, margin auto, here I was giving the padding 50 pixel, left right will be 0, and now I want to give the color. For that kickstart container, inside that I have a h10 giving the color will be the variable pink. Yeah, now see, and increase the font size. For that I can directly give the font size will be the 80 pixel. 80 pixel is too much, I give the 60. Yeah, like that, little bit more, 55. Yeah, and this but btn now I want to design. For that we can just copy this part, come here, and here I want to have a link. I give the first of all I want to add the background color. For that here I give the class name will be bg green. Let me come here. Okay, and here I give the this will be the padding. First of all we give the font size, because now see here, see this font size is too much small. We give the font 20 pixel. Padding from the left right will be 30, 10 top side 10 pixel, left right will be 30. And let me just see, and border radius will be 30 pixel. Now here you see, and again I want to do one thing, text decoration none. See, we have completed this section, and let me go here. Here you can see I want to add this logo also here also, and for that I can do, come in the index.html file. This is a kickstart, and here I want to create another div tag for this, and here I want to insert this images. For that I think this is a two images. For that one by one I inserted. Right click here, go on the inspect. Let me just copy the URL of this. Let me refresh, right click, inspect, and here this scrolling will be in. Okay, this response UI, this is not responsive. Right click on the above. Code editor. Okay, this all thing button is also not responsive. Original website you can see also. Yeah, if I load this, yeah, now it will be coming. And where I want to go, this certificate template here. Here from the top side, here I want to first of all insert this logo in the top. For that let me just copy this here, right click, copy element, and go on the here. I can directly paste here. Now let me just see in our section where is display. Okay, these are not display. Why? I think I was copied something less. Yeah, here right click here, copy element, and again now I want to paste, and control shift F for the formatting. Now this part we done, and come here, let me just see. Okay, this will be display like for that we can design this. Where is div tag, and this is style. Okay, this is style will be necessary. Let me collapse this SVG, and here give the kick start, and this will be the logo, or we give the certified. Just copy this here and come in the here. I give the this width will be approximately 300 pixel. Now let me just see here. See here it display. Now I want to display in the bottom section here. Before that I can do one thing, go on the here this kick start section, and here I want to give the here I give the position absolute. Now here you can see this will go on the outside. Before that I want to here give the position relative, and yeah, and now I want to make this in the top section in the small screen, and for that I can give the here position top, and where is gone, yeah, this will be coming top, but I want to also reduce this is it will be approximately 100 pixel. Yeah, now I want to make this in the here. For that I can give the right part also 0, and here I give the minus approximately 50 pixel for the little bit go up. Now you can see our section, it will be coming in the top section, it will come in the here top as in the original section. Here I was not added padding. Okay, we can do this also, don't worry. See, this will be now okay, and I want to reduce this font. Yeah, this font size I want to reduce this. Now this will be okay for here, and for the big screen I want to make this in the bottom section. For that here I make a media query, and here give the and use the minimum width will be approximately I give the approx 700, or we give the 800 850, and again I want to just copy this here and paste here. I want to change something like that. Here I give right part is okay, but here I want to give this here change this in the right form, not bottom. Let me just go on the here and make this big screen, go on the bottom section. Here it will go in the why these are media, and minimum width will be 850, kickstart, absolute position width, and why these are then okay. Let me give this top side will be auto. Yeah, now see here it display, and before that I give the 30 pixel, 50 pixel, and I want to increase this 200 like this. Now I want to make this types of a right click here, copy this. Let me just see this svg, right click, copy, and paste inside this about this. Now let me just come reduce this, come here. Here see like this are displaying, but we can do here kick start, or we can wrap this content, because somewhere I don't want to display this like that. Let me just wrap this, and this will be the in the another div tag, and here I give the arrow, yeah, certified kick start arrow. Let's copy this here, come in the here in the biggest small screen. I don't want to display, for that I directly give the display none. If the screen size is more than 850, then this will be display. For that I can give this will be display here, and here I give the block, and now I give this will be the display flex. Let me just come here, and where is gone, me refresh this, and yeah, here is display. Now I want to do this here. This arrow, this width will be approximately 200, and display flags. Then how this will look? See, it will be small. Then this kick certified, okay, because these both are in the single na. And for that I can do this width will be then 300, 400, 300 done. And after that I make this 200, and here I give this 350, and this will be the 300. Yeah, this part is now done. And when I was, let me just show you, when I was reduce this, see, it will go on the top, and here I was not given right, will be the approximately 50 pixel. See here, we can give this 20. Okay, now this part will be done, and let's go on the next section. Okay, before that I want to make all this above this section will be responsive, and for that then this part will be done in the next video. I think this and how to section, this part will you do in the next section. And also in the next section we also refactor some our code also. Let me first of all make this responsive. Right click and come here, and let me just give this, go on the top section when I was started today, and let me just refresh this. Yeah, here you can see, okay, this I think something is disturbed, that's why responsive is not coming. Yeah, now coming. And here also I open this. Okay, this part is code editor, here also code editor. Okay, and here before that I was giving the okay. Now this part will be done properly. W3 school, let me just see. Yeah, this part will be okay, this part will be also okay. And my learning, let me refresh again. Yeah, my learning, and here also my learning. These are also okay, only little bit padding, and we can add this in the my learning section. Go on the above. This is exercise web template, code game color section, become a pro, my learning. And here I can do one thing, just copy this, or we can here give the 10 pixel. Yeah, now this part will be done, and let's go on the below. Okay, here you can see this become a pro user. Let me come here also, see I was not added the margin, we can do this also. Pro user I was giving the 10 pixel. Let me come here, or we can give 15, 20. Yeah, this part is, I think, yeah, this part is done. we can add more 30. Yeah, this will be done, and let's go on the next color section. Let me just see color section also. I want to do this, and here I give the 20 pixel. Yeah, color section done, and let's go on the another this code game. Like that code game I also give this 10-20 pixel. Let me just see. Yeah, code game is now still done. And exercise, this exercise I think I want to change something. Here you can see this types of a, yeah, here this types of a displaying y, and here, yeah, I want to add here also. Yeah, this part is now done. Let me go on the web template. Here also I want to add, let me give this 20 pixel, and this kickstart also I want to give this 20 pixel. Become a pro user, game template, kickstart, and game. Now if we done this all this section, and here we have completed we can do also this one. Let me just start this. Here you can see we have this section, and for that I can go on the index.js. Here I can make one things, and section will be the how to section. Just copy this here, paste here, this is section, and here I give this class name will be the how to section, and here I can do the inside this I want to first of all make a one container, and giving this will be the I want to give this contain how to section underscore container, and inside that I want to include this first one, this top one. Just copy this here, paste here, this will be the h1 tag. We can directly paste this, and again this two section, just copy this here, and this will be the p tag, paste inside this, and again this one, and this will be the here you can see this will be the less tags, small tags as compared to this one. And here you can see we have this types of already I make in the previous section. I show you here you can see we make like this. Let me just copy all this code here, and this will be the code editor. Let me go on the code editor, program learning period, and SQL. Before that this is a course container, and go on the bottom section. Yeah, code editor you can see here this is a code editor. Just copy all this here, and come in the bottom section. Inside this I want to include this. For that let me paste this. Now here come in the and go on the bottom section. Okay, here you can see these are coming, and for that I can do this how to section container. Just copy this here and come in the here, go on the bottom section. First of all here I make giving the max width will be 100% and max width will be 1200 pixel, and after that giving the margin will be margin will be auto. Now let me just see. Okay, this will be too much. We give the 100, 1000. Yeah, this will be done. And inside this, see, we have this one. First of all, just copy this section and come in the here. Before that, I can give the let me just come here. Here give the padding 50 pixel and left right will be approximately 10 pixel. Yeah, and now I want to increase the font size. After that we change this, and for that inside this I have a h1 tag and giving the font size will be approximately 55 pixel. Margin will be 0. After that I have a and this p tag, we give the font size will be 21. And now let me just see, and text content will be center. For that I can directly here give the text content will be center. Yeah, now see, this will be coming automatically, and inside that let me which things I want to delete. Here see, only I want to this top section, just copy this here, and I want to change this here also. Where is link? Here, and I want to remove this section. Yeah, now let me see. Here you can see these things are removed, and inside that I want to insert this carousel image. For that I can do div class, and inside this I make one other div class, and inside this I can do this will be the how to section and list. We can make this. Inside that I can give the div class will be the how to section item, and about this I want to include item all this images. For that I can directly give the img src, and I want to first of all include this first image. Right click, copy this first image, paste here. Yeah, and I can do just copy this here also, and second image, let me just right click, copy image, change this second image, and third image, right click, copy this here and paste here. Now just come here. Here you can see here is a display. Before that I want to just copy this how to section list, come here, and here I want to give this display flex. Yeah, now see, all the images are like this types of a. Now I can do these things are done, and one more I want to do. These are coming here. I want to overflow hidden. For that I can do this container. Okay, I want to manipulate this section. Just copy this here, come here. Here I want to give, when I was giving the transform translate x direction approximately -100%. Now see, this second image is coming. When I was give the 200, then third image coming like that. When I was give here 0, then where is come, go on the bottom section, it's first image coming like that. I want to manipulate this with the help of a JavaScript, and for that let me just for that I want to access this. Just copy this here, come in the JavaScript file, and here I give the comment how to section carousel slide image for the better understanding. Element document dot get element by, or we can use a query selector all. Paste this for the checking purpose. Console.log how to section item, and here come right click, go on the inspect, open the console. Here you can see we have not found anything. Let me refresh this. Yeah, I think something is missing. Okay, this is reference data, and why these are coming. Okay, this is a class now. Then we can, let me check again. Yeah, now here I got it. For that I can do one thing. I make a one function. We give the slide image, and inside that I can use this. Just copy this here, and here give the we give this, and what is the name of this style, this transform, and this will be the translate. Let me just copy this from the style section. Where is here? And here I want to paste this. Okay, I want to give the, and here I use the tilde symbol. Let me just cut this here, paste here, and here I want to, every time I want to increase this. First of all I want to make a here, and slide image current, it will be the, from the starting position I give the 1, and let me just give this 0 also, then also okay. And here we give this, before that I want to increase this by 1. Just copy this here, and 1, and after that I give this plus equal to 100. Here I make a one condition. If this will be less than, I make this will be always greater than minus 200. Yeah, always greater than minus 200. And okay, minus 200, then also okay. And then it will be coming inside this. Let me just cut here and here. What I want to give, removing the minus, and let me just copy this here, here paste this, and here I use the dollar symbol, and copy this. Here I use the set time, set interval, and this will be the, here pass a callback function inside this, and here this function will be calling, and this will be calling approximately 2 seconds. Let me just see these things are working or not. Okay, I think I was missed something. Yeah, just copy this here, here I give this, and this will be the for each loop element, and again I want to give this element dot, now I want to cut here and paste here. Now let me just see. And also I want to make this two button. For that we can also do this, and come here on the bottom section. This is a list. Here I want to make just come here. Okay, here I want to give this div class name will be the uh, how to section button, and this will be the two button. And first one is a I class fast solid fa angle left, and second one is a angle right. Now here it will be display. Let me just copy this here. Yeah, here you see this will be display. Now I want to copy this here, and first of all I want to give this container. For that, how to section image, just copy this image slider, copy this, come in the style.css. Here I make this position relative. This is important, that's why just copy this here, how to section, and here I give the position absolute, and j index will be the approximately 5, and display flags, justify content space between. Now you can see all this where is gone. Refresh this. Where is our images? Here. Yeah, I can give the top will be the 0 and bottom will be the 0. Let me see where is gone. Here, this is here and here. Let me see. Position absolute, top side 0, bottom side 0. Then it will come in the center, and here give the j index will be the 5. Yeah, here coming. And now I want to this give the display flags, justify content, here remove. Yeah, here justify content will be not taken because I was not giving the width will be 100%, like that. And alignment item also center. Yeah, now see this both button will be display here, and now I want to make this both of them. For that I can do, let me just copy this here and come here. Inside that I have a button. Let me give the pad. First of all I want to give the background color, or we can directly add here bg background color. Where is here I can give the bg white. After that here I can add the class will be the bg white, like that. And now I want to make designing this. First of all I give the font size will be the approximately 20 pixel. Now you can see, and border none, and something more. Okay, border background color is not, then we remove this. Also this one, and here this is a white directly. we give the color white, color will be the white, and background color will be the transparent. Now see, these things are done, and here this but btn will be coming. Now I want to make this top side 1 2 3. For that we can make this top side 1 2 3 is a, see this is I think opacity, not a slide one. See, when I was click every time it will be render only this image, and it will be, I think we can do also, and for that we can directly do like this, not need of a sliding this. We can do also here. I can do one thing, here I can take a two argument, two parameter, and second one is a index, and let me do this. Okay, then also okay, we can do here inside this. I can index.html file. Here I want to make this number, or we can in the bottom side, I think. Okay, inside this I can add we can add this p tag, and this will be the containing 1 comma 3, like that. Just copy this here, and here also, and here also, and this is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 3 comma 3, and in the bottom section I want to add the tags, and for that just copy this one, and here bottom section I want to give caption text, and this will be the second caption 2. Okay, we give the caption 2, caption 3. Now here like that we have inserted all this, and below that this list here, and here I want to make this div class name will be like that, how to section active image. Give the div class name will be the simple div, and make this 3 div, and just copy this here, come in the style.css file. Here I can do display flags, justify content center, alignment item center. Yeah, and after that I can come here and copy this again, and this div tag I give the padding will be approximately 10 pixel, and background color will be the white for now, and second one will be the not white, little bit gray type. Yeah, and and again margin. Okay, the margin will be the approximately 3 pixel. Now let me just see where is display. Before that I can give the background color will be the red. Yeah, and after that giving the border radius 10 pixel. Yeah, we make this active. Now see here we have done this part, and inside this I have completed this, and let me inside the image list. Where is list? Item, I have a p tag. Let me do this. Now I am designing this p and this p. For that I can give the directly this position absolute, and why this I think, and top will be 0. And before that I want to give the this how to section item will be position relative. For the where is here position relative. Now see this caption will display here, and before that I want to change something, and let me give this first child, and this will be the bottom 0. Now let me just see. Okay, and this will be the first child. Yeah, now see it will be display here, it will display here, and now I want to make this center. For that I can give the left 0, right also 0. Yeah, and second this text, and we give this color will be the white. Yeah, now this part will be done, and I want to make this btn. Okay, here is here I give this padding will be top bottom side which is approximately 20 pixel, left right will be 0, and yeah this part like this. Now I want to slide this image, display this image. For that I can do where is script tag, and first of all I want to also access this to but btn. Here let me just come here, and here I give the id will be image slide previous, and this will be the next. Just copy this id here also, paste here. Here I give the next image, and copy this here, come in the style cs javascript, and here I can get this document dot get element by id, paste this here, and second one with the next. Let's copy this here, control T. Okay, paste here. Now we got it this 2 1, and for now first of all I make this next part. Let's copy this, paste here, and add event listener. I want to give the click function. After that pass a callback function here. Okay, here you can see we have access first of all this. Here I make one thing. If this start will be 0, then I want to, for going on the next section, then here I want to give the, this will be greater than 0, sorry, less than 0, because this will go on the minus na, that's why. If it will less than 0, then it will go slide here, paste this, and here I want to give the minus equal to 100, and for that I can do, just copy this again. Here I want to give the slide, and we can use the for each element el dot style dot transform. It will be the translate. Let's copy this. After that I want to give this value, and this will be in the form of a percentage. Now let me just check these are working or not. Go on the bottom. When I just click on this btn, okay, these things are not working. First of all, check this btn is working or not. Alert next. Let me just see. When I just click, okay, this btn is now access. For that I want to give will be less than equal to minus. Yeah, now see, these both are working. Click but when it go on the above this 200, I can one thing I want to also add here. It will be not go on the above, it will be greater than equal to minus 200. Let me check again. 1 2 3, yeah, now I think these things 1 2 3 and 100. Yeah, now these things are working. This btn, now I like this one. I want to also make a previous button. Here I want to only do one thing. For the previous section, here I give the plus, and it will be less than 0. Now let me just okay, first of all check this btn is access or not. Alert. Okay, this btn is also not access. I want to know. Let's copy this and paste here. Let me check. Alert high. Okay, this btn is here, this left one will be okay. And now I want to do for the translation purpose, this one will be the, when I just click, then this will be translate. And why these are not done, let me check. Okay, let me just see this loop is running or not. Paste this. Okay, this loop is not running, that's why here I make greater than 100. Okay, these things are okay, and here I want to change something. Let me come here, and where is btn? Here I want to give this j index will be, when I just click, see here btn, this will be not able to display. For that I can give the text shadow 10 pixel 10 pixel 10 pixel RGB black color, RGB black color. Yeah, now okay, these are now working. These things are this alert. Let me remove this first. See, when I was click, first of all go on the next, now click, see it will be going, and if it will be from the 0 then it will be not going. Okay, now these things are working properly like that, and this bottom will be little bit down. I want to up like this center one, and for that here come, and where is btn, here I want to go this, and here I give the 30 pixel. I 170. Yeah, now see this are done, and when I use hover then this background color will be changed. For that I can also do this hover effect, background color will be the RGB, a little bit more, I give the 4, and here I want to add a padding. We can add padding here 5 pixel. Now see, when I just click, this PTM is working, this both are working, and before that where is child one, padding will be 10 pixel. See, now these both are done, and this bottom section also I think I was remaining. Let me first of all give the overflow hidden, and for that where is a list, here I give the hover section list. Let me check. Yeah, hover section list here, where is overflow hidden. Now see, now I want to call this again and again. For that let me come here, and here I give the script type. I want to remove this here and make a one function, and delete this one, no need of this, and we can do function will be here, function, this will be the next slide image, and paste inside this, and here remove this here and this one, and just give the reference of this function here, and for now Okay, these things are done, and for the rendering purpose I can do and function render all image automatic. We can give the automatic, and inside that I can give this same condition like this. Next part, just copy this here, and here I give this, copy this here, and one by one paste here. If it will be come from the 0, and here I give this 0, and here I use the set interval inside this, or we can directly pass a function, and inside this 2 second. On the bottom here, see, this image is changing, and now I want to do this like this. I want to niche in the bottom section this dot color also change. For that let me just copy this also, and here I want to go on the JavaScript. In the top section here I make let image will be, here I give the document dot query selector all, and inside this paste this. Okay, or we can give the to, and let me just see what is the output. We have done this part, and this image is also sliding automatically, and this blue color. Okay, for that this image color will be changed. Here I make slider image, this div tag, and inside that I can do, let me just copy this, here I can give the if div tag will be we make a one active, let me make a one active image, and this will be active image, and this background color will be, let me just copy this, just copy this here, and for now just sampling purpose just copy this image, and let me say the second one is active. Now then here I want to change this background color more dark, yeah, like this types of I want to slide, and for that just copy this here and come in the here. First of all I want to access all this list, and for that I can do this directly, just copy here. I can give the class name will be the image slider active, and this will be the copy this and add everywhere, and just copy this here, go on the style.script file, and here I want to change this, and this image is now coming, and here I give this come in the this slide bar. First of all, we do in the here, and here I give this. Let me do this here for each element, and here I use the switch. We can use the switch condition. If this start will be 0, case 1, if this will be the equal to the 0, then first image will be display, and for that I want to give this el dot class list, and first one remove from the all. Let me just copy this class name. We can do this also. Or for now it will be done. This part will be done. Now I want to make this handle and this btn. After that we come this again, or we can, okay, from here I think little bit is spinning. Here I stop this. Now in the next video we continue this. Thank you for the watching this.